Everyone, today I'm going to look at the Blue Diamond Stakes at Caulfield. It is race 7 on the program. It's over 1200 metres and it's a Group 1 for the 2-year-olds. I am putting Catchy in on top. This is a very classy field, but it's hard not to be impressed with her unbeaten runs to date. She has had 2 wins here, the first being a dominant 2.2 length victory against the boys, and the second being a good old-fashioned fight out to the line in front of the smart-looking Limestone. Craig Williams has opted to ride Catchy over his multiple options, and she has drawn wide, but I don't actually see that being a disadvantage. On paper, there does look to be a little bit of speed in this race, and I'd like to have her ridden midfield or worse early and then save for one run late. On her wins to date, she will be hard to beat. I'm putting Parai in second. He took some time to wind up last start, but he was very impressive once he balanced up, and he has had a run in our direction now, so he will be a very strong chance here. At the 1200 metre suits, he will be running on late. I'm putting Tulip in third. She won well on debut with a very eye-catching run, and certainly wasn't disgraced second up in a fast race, just missing to one that made Catchy work last start. Damien Oliver goes on, and she has been kept fresh for this. And I'm putting Property in as my main danger. He has no bad runs to date to his name. Moreira goes on, and that's a positive. You have to respect his rides. Property's win in the Blue Diamond Prelude was certainly eye-catching. He has drawn well and should get a run about midfield. Well, the rest of my selections for Blue Diamond Stakes Day are up at alanaburns.com. Make sure you head on over, check them out, and have an amazing day. See you later.